Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to cancel or delete friend requests on Facebook. When we open Facebook, we see many friend requests and I tell you how to remove or delete friend requests. You can accept these requests and become good friend. First of all, open up Facebook. Now tap on three dots in top right corner. Now click on friends option. You can see on your mobile screen. Tap on this friends option. Here you can see I have 20 friend requests in pending. You can confirm or delete it. I am going to delete this friend request. You have to simply click on this delete option on your screen. Tap on this delete option. Now you have to wait for a second. Here you can see my friend request has been removed. You can remove all friend requests by the same process. You can simply click on this confirm option. I am going to delete an other friend request. Here you can see now I have 18 friend requests in pending. With this method you can delete all